Here's what nobody's telling you. With buying solar in 2026 without a battery is like buying a sports car without an engine in it. And if you're selling solar and you can't confidently talk about batteries, you're leaving a fortune on the table. But here's the other thing that nobody's telling you. Most battery reviews are just somebody reading the back of the box to you. At Solar Insure, we worked with thousands of systems and hundreds of installers, and we've looked at everything when it comes to batteries, from the good, the bad, to the, oh my God, why is that smoking? So we can know what's really worth your actual money. Now, before we get into the list of the best batteries for 2026, let's go through a couple of the key things that I like to look at when evaluating the good batteries from the expensive disasters. Number one is the capacity, and it's how much energy the battery can hold. It's normally measured in kilowatt hours. Think of it like the gas tank on your car. The bigger it is, the more you can do with it. Number two is the continuous discharge rate, which is normally measured in amps. This tells you how much the battery can back up at any one given time. If the fridge in your house is 10 amp requirement and the AC is 60 amp requirement, but your battery only outputs 40 amps, you can't back up both those things, let alone you can't back up that AC unit. Number three is the expandability, which is critical for future proofing. Can you expand batteries on your system, and how many can you expand without having to put in more equipment? Number four is the warranty and the cycle limit. Most batteries are pretty standard at 10 to 12-year warranties, but some also come with cycle limits. Cycles consider one full charge and discharge. And if you hit that cycle limit before the end of the year, your warranty is expired. And number five is, of course, the failure rate. This is not something that's going to be published by a manufacturer, but it is something that's really important to look at. At Solar Insure, we work with hundreds of installers and cover thousands of battery systems, so we get a good idea at all of the claims that come in. Our data shows an industry average of about 0.025% for batteries, but not all of them make that mark. While these specs are great, it's also really important to look at the company that makes the equipment, because if they go out of business, you're out of luck with your warranty or any of the equipment anyway. It's why all of the manufacturers who are on our approved vendor list have to go through a rigorous 7-step process in order to get approved. Our 7-step process includes a look at the testing lab certifications, product track record and field reliability, manufacturer financial health assessment, an RMA claims data analysis, warranty policy reviews, testing and quality protocols, and a vertical integration risk analysis. Only components that are from manufacturers who meet or exceed our rigorous standards are able to be on our approved vendor list and be protected by our SI30 warranties. So finally, let's give you a look at the best battery brands for 2026. The list includes Canadian Solar's EP Cube, EcoFlow, EG4, Enphase, Fortress Power, Fox ESS, Franklin Watt Hour, Generac, HomeGrid, LG, Lunar Energy, SIG Energy, Q-Cells, Solar Edge, Sonnen, and Tesla. Now, all of those batteries are great choices for your home energy system, but there are a couple that are most commonly enrolled. Let's take a look at a couple of those highlights. The first battery I want to highlight is EG4's wall mount all-weather unit. This battery has a 14.3 kilowatt hour capacity with 140 amps continuous discharge. It can go up to 200 in short bursts. When you're using an on-grid setup, you can have 18 batteries connected together, and for off-grid, you can put 108 batteries together, which is insane. This unit has a 10-year warranty and 8,000 cycles. Safe to say, this thing is a beast, and a single unit could power almost your entire home on its own. Next up is the Enphase IQ10 battery. This 10 kilowatt hour unit has 16 amp continuous capacity, and you can connect 4 units together on one installation. It also has a 10-year warranty at 4,000 cycles. Enphase is known for its reliability, and its microinverters are built right in this battery for easy serviceability. Now, you won't back up your entire home with just a single unit with the Enphase IQ10, but it's great for maximizing your solar usage. One that's exploded in popularity over recent years has been the Tesla Powerwall 3. This unit has a 13.5 kilowatt hour capacity and can output 48 amps continuously. You can connect 7 units together, and it's got a 10-year warranty with unlimited cycles. This is a hybrid unit, so actually the inverter and the battery are all in one box together, which is convenient, but also means that if one unit fails because you can't separate them to service individually, you have to replace the whole unit. But the price point and the brand name speak for themselves. Fortress Power's eForce battery is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to backup. Its capacity scales anywhere from 9.6 kilowatt hours up to 28.8 kilowatt hours with an impressive 195 amp discharge rate, all the way up to 585 for the full horizontal stack unit. You can actually put 16 batteries together in parallel, and the unit comes with a standard 10-year warranty, But if you use their NV inverter and all of the Fortune Power equipment, you can actually be eligible for a 15-year warranty. This thing's an absolute powerhouse and crazy in terms of backup. And lastly, we have the Franklin Watt Hours A Power 2 battery. This one is the highest capacity for a single unit on our list at 15 kilowatt hours and has an impressive 48 amp continuous discharge. You can actually connect 15 of these batteries together on one site, and it has a 15-year standard warranty. I really like a cool blue LED on the outside that shows you the charge status. The warranty alone is great money for your investment, but of course the great capacity also helps a lot. So if you're a homeowner, don't let your energy go to waste. Pair it with storage and take control of your energy. If you're a solar installer, get certified on these systems now because your competition is already confidently selling them, so don't get left behind. Want to dive deeper? Check out the video description for links to our entire approved vendor list, the entire list with backlinks for best batteries of 2026, and find out how you can get a Solar Insure warranty for your system. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the video and you want more on solar content, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.